Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in Zepeto. Zepeto templates are fantastic tools that provide a starting point for your creative journey. They allow you to design unique clothing, accessories, and even entire worlds with ease. You'll find these templates readily available within the Zepeto Studio application, making the creation process straightforward and fun. Get ready to bring your imaginative ideas to life using these versatile pre-designed structures. To begin, open your Zepeto Studio application and head straight to the Create tab. This is where all the magic starts. You'll see various categories, such as apparel, hair, or world, each filled with different template options. Take your time to browse through them and select the one that perfectly aligns with your vision. Choosing the right template is the first crucial step toward crafting your unique Zepeto item. Once you've selected your template, it's time to unleash your creativity. The built-in editor offers powerful tools to modify colors, textures, and even the shapes of your item. You can upload your own custom images or designs to add a truly personal touch. Don't forget to fine-tune parameters like size and position using the precise controls available, ensuring your creation looks exactly as you imagined it. After perfecting your design, it's essential to preview your creation in three-dimensional space to ensure everything looks just right. If you plan to share your masterpiece with others, you can set a price for your item to sell it in the Zepeto store. Finally, submit your finished item for review by the Zepeto moderation team. Once approved, your unique creation will be available for everyone to see and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.